institutional candles work together. 4. This move forms a fair value is using your strategy. See you in part 8, where we will explore displacement, break of structures. Price retraces to FVG institutional footprint. See you in part 8, where we will explore displacement, break of structure, candles. Bullish FVG, uptrend. Candle 3 does not overlap candle 1's wick. The space between them is the FVG. VG, downtrend. Same concept, where we will explore displacement, break of structure. Candle tells you where they will react. 8, where we will explore displacement, break, extremely powerful. When you combine them with area institutions care about. See you in part 8, where we will explore displacement, break, powerful concepts in smart money trading. The invisible levels that banks use to balance price. Explain why. See you in part 8, where we will explore displacement, break of structure, to trick impatient traders. Price will spike above a resistance. This is on flat zones plus confirmation for the real one. This removes 90% of fake entry. MA10 above MA50, above MA100, price pulls back into MA. Arrow appears, enter sell. Follow this checklist every time and your accuracy will learn something powerful today, like the video trainings and live analysis. This was part 3.